Shane Jacks with Dent Pro Upstate LLC, and we're going to use a new tool, new to the PDR industry. Here, it is called the Power PDR Box. And this box enables us to take out dents that are a lot deeper than we normally could before. It uses sonic pulses and tiny arcs, kind of like welding, to shrink the metal. Oftentimes we have dents that are so deep and the metal is stretched. It's kind of like I was explaining a little while ago. Piece of saran wrap, you stretch it out, put your finger in the middle of it, you're never getting that back out. Well, metal does the same thing. Molecules start to move, you get a stretch in the center. This thing will gather that metal back up with the sonic pulses and arcs. Really tricky stuff. Now the dent that we have right here is not actually a stretch dent, but I'm just going to show you how cool this thing is and what it will do to repair a dent. If you will watch, this dent will, okay, I don't quite have the heat high enough. So I'm going to turn it up just a bit. The voltage and the pulses will be a little more intense. All right. And all I'm doing on the back side is just touching it. I'm not pushing, I'm just touching, and those pulses and arcs, see what it's doing there? It is repairing the dent. Now, this process, you can see it's a little high there. We'll have to go back and knock that back down. There's still a tiny pit. Once it cools a bit, but you can see what it does there. It kind of draws that metal up. Now, this does not repair a dent fully. It's not going to repair it. Really, really tiny dents. It will repair the dents fully. And you can see the back side there where we had to grind it away. This is not the preferred method. We're going to have to repaint the back side of this panel. This is not what we like to do with PDR, but when the dents are really, really crazy deep, that's what we have to do. And this box lets us repair hail damaged and stretched dents that we once couldn't before.